All right, Blake, what time is it?
It's
Hiccup time. Woo! Hiccup time. So it's mail time. Hiccup mail time. First, Blake, you got a TTM that was out for almost 2 years. I sent it in May 8th, 2018. Came back to Blake, my buddy. Good luck, Blake. Jackie Smith, Hall of Fame in 1994. So that's a pretty cool return. Anytime you get a Hall of Famer, it's awesome. So, and then the reason why we're doing this video is for that little stack there. There's 3 cards. The top 2 cards are cards that I bought for you from Snodzilla's fire sale. And the bottom card, Eloy the Goat bought for you from the same sale. So take the thing and take them one at a time and look at them.
okay. That's already cool. Did you just buy this?
Yep.
That's cool. Looks like he's trying to push out a turd on his face.
Looks like he's trying to push out a turd, Blake says. Okay.
Holy crap. 3 of 3?
This is the old school Royce Lewis autograph when he was like 15.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, that's nice. This is 3 out of... That's like the side thing, I think. Right on his shoulder or something.
Yeah, it might be. All right, then a super cool Miguel Sano for Blake's PC. Look at that patch. That's nasty, and that's game used. So we got a 4-color patch, number 3 out of 3. Okay, and then the last one is one. I'm having focus problems here. The last one is one that Eloy, the goat, bought for us.
Okay,
For you. He said for you. He said,
I want
screw
you
Dustin.
guys... It's Tory Hunter.
Tor. All right, let's see. Or you see, look at it.
Holy butts.
Holy butts.
Dude, oh my gosh. I really got the hiccups. His autograph is so nice.
All right, so that's
very cool.
So thank you, Eloy. Thank you to Snods for the cool deals, and comment down below. We think Blake should do a autograph showcase. Comment down below if you want him to do Miguel Sano or Royce Lewis.
Like of all my autographs?
Yeah. So you have, I think, over 20 Miguel Sano autographs.
How about we just do them together?
Well, let's do them 2 separate videos.
True. But who should we do first?
Yeah, comment down below with who you'd like to see him do first. He has about 21 or 22 Miguel Sano autographs, about a dozen Royce Lewis. So let us know what you think. So tell him, sign us out.
Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Peace. Dab.